work down there in Overland Park, huh? Hey, what's up? Look what I got, buddy. Oh, what's this, man? I got some sneakers. Ooh, where you get these sneakers from? Foot Locker. Yo, these are not sneakers from Foot Locker, old sneakers. Why? That's not a sneaker right here. Swag. Oh, hey, man, these sneakers smell so bad. Smell out like that. Ooh. Bad sneaker.
Excuse me, Scoop.
What?
Scoop, bro, you never apologized to the referee.
Man, apologizing to this referee. He's the worst ref ever.
Please, Scoop, come on, be a nice.
Okay, you know what? Take the ball out on the sideline. I'll apologize. Hey, shoot.
It's your time.
Yeah, take the ball out.